All right, hello everyone. So today I got this guy right here, diverter valve for my S60. It's a GFB, go fast bits, whatever. They sell really good products. When I had an Evo, we bought a blow-off valve from them. They sell really quality products. So we got a diverter valve for my Volvo. We got some upgrades coming as well, more, and then that will be mentioned in the other video. I'm not gonna spoil any of that. Man, the sun is in my eyes. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna get that installed. I'll show you guys where it is in our cars, how to install it. I'm gonna have my relatives help me install it because obviously I can't use this hand. So yeah, we're gonna get that installed. It's just a better way to hold. It holds boost better. It's much more reliable than the original OEM one. It's not plastic or anything like that. It's metal, so it holds boost better. It reacts to the gas pedal much better with this guy right here. So yeah, with the plans that I have for this car, this is really gonna help. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So that's what comes in the pack. It springs, 3 bolts, pretty much some parts. I don't know what these parts are called. I'm not gonna try to act smart. Anyways, that's how it assembles. Pretty much all the parts assemble, so they got a diagram. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. The holes, the alignment holes are not symmetrical, so it only goes on one way. So yeah, let's show you now where it's located on the car. The diverter valve, you guys look, it's right there in your right front wheel. When you move it, turn it to the left, it's right there on the turbo on the side, on the right side. I'll climb under there in a little bit and I'll show you guys how it looks from underneath. All right, so when you guys look right here, you see where that pipe is? Right behind that pipe right there where I'm putting my light, that's where the diverter valve is. My God, it's annoying. You're gonna have to bend that pipe. You see where it goes, like where it goes up and then over. You're gonna have to bend that side of the pipe up to and you're gonna have to take your wheel off and access the top bolt from here. Man, it was a pain in the butt. It took us literally like almost an hour to get that bolt, to get that valve out. All right, so this is the diverter valve. This was the assembly. This was on here, the spring, and this was tucked into it. So pretty much this goes over it, and it was just kind of plugged there, right there, like that. So all you do, just grab the centerpiece, pull it up, and this will pop off along with this spring because you got new ones. And then now you just follow this assembly right there. So you put their spring in there and everything that they provide right there in the packet. Just put it together. This is how the final assembly should work, right here. So that looks like that right there. After you put the new one in, it just you got to make sure that these holes all line up. They only line up one way. You cannot, there's only one way. You cannot line them up any like if you twist it to, you know, 35-45 degrees, it will not fit. So you have to line them up. And then that's that. So now we're just going to insert it. They provide you with the longer bolts right there because this spaces it out. Just put it in and that's it. All right, so the new diverter valve is installed. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see that black right there? That's the diverter valve, the aftermarket one. It's kind of like a spacer that looks right there on the diverter valve. You put the diverter valve back, you just take the inside of it out. So yeah, that's that right there. So yeah, it was pretty easy now that we got the wheel off and bent that tube up. So pretty straightforward. So all you should have left is just the spring, and then these things right here from the original one just goes together like that right there. So yeah, that's that. We got it installed. So now I'm gonna start it up and give it some revs. Alright, so we completed everything now. We got the diverter valve installed and everything. I have test driven it. I just didn't want to make the ending without driving the car first. So I test drove the vehicle. What did I find out? When driving, I put it in sport, pretty much took it around, you know, higher speeds, Florida a couple times. I noticed that after third gear in a higher RPM, where before, like, you would have torque when you floor it in the beginning, like in a lower RPM, and then it would kind of just, you know, just kind of drop off towards the end. Now it kind of does the opposite. It picks up, like when you get to pass like to fourth gear, you get to the higher RPM, like it holds the boost. So I was pretty shocked, to be honest. Like if somebody told me that changing a diverter valve, simple as, you know, just changing one of those things, diverter valve, it would, you know, create that much difference in, you know, boost holding and reaction to the gas pedal. Reaction to the gas pedal got a little bit better. A little bit. I wouldn't say it's like, oh, major, like you notice so much big difference to the pedal reaction. But the boost, holding the boost, that actually is really noticeable. Like I actually had my my relative here with me as well. He told me the same exact thing. He's like, it holds boost much better in the higher speeds, in the higher gears and the higher RPMs compared to how it used to. So if anybody's curious if it's worth the money, I think I paid like 120 bucks. I ordered it straight from Australia, so on their website. I didn't get one off eBay. You know, I'm not saying that eBay ones could be a knockoff, but I mean, it could be, but I don't, you know, I'm not gonna say all of them are. There are probably some legit sellers, but you know, if you guys want to be 100%, you know, sure. I got it within like 4 days, which is shocking. I don't know if GFB has some sort of factory here or some sort of store, and they just kind of shot them, you know, information, and they just delivered it to me, or they shipped it straight from Australia. Via air, I think they said in the shipping. So I paid like 120, if I'm not mistaken. I think 120 bucks with shipping here to my house. So it's not bad for the money. So I'm pretty happy with it, with the upgrade. I don't regret spending the money. I mean, I can see a big difference already. I can only imagine when I do the tune what it's gonna do, you know, the more upgrades. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked my content on my channel, check out some more videos. I have really cool videos of upgrades and on my channel here. Like and subscribe. And there's some upgrades coming pretty soon. Within the next 2 weeks, I'm going to get all of them. I think 2-3 weeks, I'm going to get all the upgrades installed and done. So yeah, stay tuned. Peace.